So, how should I start? As some of you may know, I was in the South Tyrol a couple weeks ago. Our hotel was about 20 minutes from Merano. Unfortunately, the weather was not so good on the last day of our trip, so we decided to stay at the hotel in the afternoon. When it stopped raining, I wanted to make some cool shots from the church in this little city. I was about 250 meters away from the starting point and had still good connections. So I wanted to make a circle around the church in form of a helix. When I noticed that I had drifted off something, I stopped the experiment and clicked return to home. At this time I was about 100 feet above the ground. After a few seconds the return to home function stopped and the drone lost the GPS. In addition, much of the compass and also the connection was interrupted. The drone drifted out in the wide world through the ever-increasing wind. After researching, I found out that the drone came into a so-called ATTI mode. In this mode, only one barometer works, which measures the air pressure. Thus, the drone only holds the height but not the position. In the end, the drone is now probably in one of the big meadows. In addition to the huge price loss, of course, I have lost my memory card with some great memories. A new drone is already ordered. So that was the story about my dead drone. If this video helps you, let a thumb up there and subscribe to this channel.
Oh, I've been seeking forgiveness.